Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Thanks for coming to visit with me tonight. I have a 16 by 20 canvas and I am going to do a flip cup, but I'm going to do 3 cups at a time. I have my Master's Touch colors. This is a violet. Next here, gold, rogue, which is a deep magenta, and a Veridian blue. Move those out of the way. I am going to put some of the Treadmill Silicon in each of these. These cups are about 5 ounces. I figure they're about 4 ounces full. So I put about 4 drops in. I need one more drop in here. Okay, let's give it a little stir. For each one of them, these off and set them aside. Today I have my paints mixed with Elmer's glue instead of Floetrol. I actually ran out of Floetrol and had some Elmer's glue here, so I went ahead and used that instead. So kind of experimenting with how that's going to work. My paints are mixed the Elmer's glue had about 1/3 of water mixed into it, and then I probably have 1/3 paint, 1/3 paint, 2 parts pouring medium in each one of these cups. So I'm going to start out by moving these off to the side, and I think I'm going to put some black in between. Maybe not. Yes. I'm going to put it, start out with some of the Veridian green. Trying to put equal parts in each cup. With some of the Rogue deep magenta. Put a touch of black in between. Go on with my gold. And my gold a little bit thicker than my other paints, hoping that it'll come to the surface a little more. Trying to keep these cups pretty even. Go in with the violet. Figure I need about 14 ounces of paint for this large of a canvas, and these are 5-ounce cups, so I think I need them pretty much full. Go back through with the Veridian green. About empty, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it up. some of the black. Trying not to put too much black in here. Just kind of want it as a little bit of a filler. A little bit of a contrast. And finish up with the violet. Okay. So, I'm going to do, just flip them. Like that. Let them settle down a bit. Hold my colors out of the way while we're waiting for that. Okay, gonna pull it towards me. There's some nice cells already. Pulled that one a little bit faster. A big old turkey leg. Strain over here. Try and cover my corners a little bit. Try and hold that on there. I think I'm going to get anything for that corner. Okay. Might zoom you out a little bit so you can see me tilting it. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Rock it back and forth a little. And get these two. Cover the canvas. Come together, guys. Add a little bit of black in here so that I can get these to move. Really don't want to stretch them out too awful much. That should just help them move around on the canvas a bit. Turn it around. And tilt it off there. Edges a bit. That gold is really popping through, very pretty. This way. Oh. Too much black. Too much black. I can probably tip a lot of it off. Because it is quite thin compared to the rest of my paint. That had Floetrol in it, and I think I mixed it a little bit thin to begin with. Back this way a little more. Turn it back around again. Some really cool looking cells. They're not round, but they're definitely neat looking. Trying to get the weight towards the bottom so that I can even out the colors. Okay, I'm going to turn this around again. Bring it down that way a little bit. There we go. Don't want to bring it down too much. Get some spots over here that I can see the canvas. Cover those up. My edges are looking really good. I'm going to hit it with a torch and see if we can come up with some more cells. There's some pretty neat ones there. There are quite a few small little air bubbles I see popping. That gold looks absolutely beautiful in there. It's very shiny. You probably can't see it the same as I can on the camera. Well, I certainly was not able to keep my cells nice and round here, but they are very, very interesting. Very cool. Very cool. I really like the composition. So I will bring the camera down so you can get a look at it. Okay guys, so here it is. All finished. Bring you in close. This is our top right hand corner. And go down to the bottom. Some really pretty cells right in there. And across the middle. Those gold cells are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And on the top left, down to the bottom. That was a lot of fun. That's the first time I've done 3 flip cups in a row. There's a really cute little cell with little cells around it. I like that. Okay. Well guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks again. Bye.